Alright, so we're doing the Indian Ridge walking tour at the golden hour here, so I figured it'd be a good time to head down and check out what the ridge has to offer at sunset. That's my board. I get that. Right there. There's this kind of cool stack here. Don't know really what it is, but I find a lot of chert here, a lot of points. So I was told that this area was basically had no trees. It was all grass at one point. I was speaking to some folks in the neighborhood, and they've been around since the late 70s and through the 80s. Told me about it. I thought that was pretty interesting. None of these trees were really here. But yeah, they said it was like a grassy area, and kind of leads me to the part about there being a golf course right nearby, kind of right where Shaw's is, and mini golf course there, parking lot. Led to believe it was called Leland Farms golf course. So no, that's what it was named after, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So we're coming up to these abutting roads here that kind of hug this area. Hopefully they don't develop any further. Alright, so we're coming around the back side of the ridge here. And you can kind of see a lot of these stone piles around. They're all over the place, but this place was definitely well traveled at one point. Alright, it's gonna get a little dark down here. Alright. So we're going to make the turn here, coming up on Indian Ridge South. Sorry, it gets a little bumpy there. The main trail we walked by goes right down the middle. That brings you right here as well. Let's head off in that direction. But the excavator is down here. You can actually smell it right when you get here. It smells like oil, like diesel. Better stop that. Yeah, it's still here. Doesn't really. Not anywhere or anything, but I won't pay too much attention to it. Just kind of like halfway tires that they left here. Yeah, wind them up and use them to get out of spaces like this where there's wetlands. So, coming back around the ridge. Just huge boulders here. Right at the face. Okay. Whoops. It's a little rocky up here. Up. And it seems like this place was pretty much, at one point, quarried out. One of the famous kinds of granite around here is the pink granite that was taken out of Milford. Went as far as the Statue of Liberty, Washington Monument, and that granite got around. I always wondered if they're a local company, so I wonder if they helped with Ashland bringing their granite supply to town. Mill building. I'm not sure. It'd be good to know. Of course. And we're looking right at Indian Rock right now. And we'll just basically walk right by it. That exits out to Leland Farm there. Golf course too. You can cut over there if you want to go get something, or play a quick round of mini golf. Here's the face, the rock. Let's get up here, hug the sun. Okay. Find that trail. It's close. Now we're just going to follow this deer trail. Clearly, I've been up here. Well, they got the kids here. They built some structures. Not bad. Maybe a little meeting place back in the day. Here's some of the quarrying I told you about that happened. Be right up in there. Yeah, they're taking that out. Just ripping it. You know, some precarious marks here on the side. So interesting. Makes you wonder. So clearly the kids are utilizing it properly. Good. We're just gonna duck down. We're gonna get to the ridge. We're at the golden hour, so I hope everything is out good. Here we go. So off the top. Looking down. So there's your ridge. Mini golf down there. Some water apparatuses they have out. Heard it's a good place to cool off if you're young and trying to have fun in the sun. So here we go. Alright, so here's the top. We are basically at the summit. There are those stones we were hanging out near at the beginning. And it just got beautiful. A little lighting coming through. We'll get to the top. Looking across over to Odessa in the distance. In the winter you can see it pretty clearly. Alright, here's our ridge. Many ridges here, but this one's definitely the biggest. For sure. Alright, so we're going to swing down and show you the rest. See, there's chert everywhere. Lots of cool rocks. If you were making anything back in the day, you'd be making it out of that. You can just see small little bits of chert. We'll get one more view of the sun before we go down. I hope you enjoyed this video of the walk-in tour of Indian Ridge. Man, is it beautiful up here. Almost down. It's a little bumpy. All right, made it out. Perfect. Good outcome. Stabilizer's kicking out. Yeah, come on. Just block us out. Sometimes you just gotta follow the sun.